How to use and find screenshot tools on Audacity. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where and how to use the screenshot tools on Audacity. First thing, go to Audacity. This is the home page. Now click here on this analyze option. After you click on it, you will find many options, and all what you have to do here is not here. Click on help, and here you will find tools, and here you will find screenshot tools. Click on it, and here you will find your screen capture frame options and settings to edit. You can, for example, manage the capture entire window or screen, capture part of a project window, scale, and many other options. Also, you can choose where you want to save images to from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.